Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back again to this channel. Uh, learning one question a day at least. And the question that we are going to discuss is myoepithelial cells. A very important short notes from exam point of view. To begin the answer, draw a systematic representation or a diagrammatic representation of the myoepithelial cells showing the processes, flattened nucleus, scanty cytoplasm. They are characteristic stellate shaped shells present in the acinar and intercalated ducts. They are very closely associated with the acinus and the intercalated ducts. They have long branching process with a centrally flattened nucleus and a scanty cytoplasm on cell body. And they are also known as basket cells or cradle cells, as their processes surround the entire acinus or the intercalated duct like a basket. In this format, centrally placed flattened nucleus, lot of filaments with a cellular organelle called as pinocytes. Myoepithelial cells are purely epithelial in origins and located between the basement membrane and the basal lamina or the basal lamina. They are very similar to the smooth muscles due to the presence of contractile filaments such as actin and myosins. They also have elements called as pinocytes for secretion of their products. Because they have contractile filaments and actin and myosins, their major function is contraction, that is to expel the formed saliva out of the system. So, okay, due to the similarity of they have a large similarity of smooth muscles. They produce a pulsatile contractions that can help to expel the newly formed saliva, especially the mucus. So thereby they work to increase the salivary outflow. They alter the luminal volume of the intercalated ducts, thereby regulating the flow of saliva. They also add to the secretory pressure and prevent backflow of saliva. Therefore, they are mainstay in regulating the salivary stone formation or modulating the salivary secretions. They are also believed to have a role in tumor formations. Tumors of myoepithelial salivary gland cells, salivary myoepithelial cells are less common but are present, and they are called as myoepithelioma. Can be very, can cause death if not properly treated. That ends the discussion on myoepithelial cell. A histopath diagram would be greatly appreciated. Stay connected with this channel for another question. Till then, learn incrementally, at least one question a day, thoroughly.